I believe you listened to the judgment of which was given on 13th of this month. That was on Thursday. That is an issue which, as a commission, we have engaged our lawyers, and the discussions are ongoing. In the course of this week, we shall be launching an appeal in the Court of Appeal, and it's for the simple reason. Times in 2019, the High Court, presided over by Justice Okwanyi, made a determination that Article 250 of the Constitution is what applies to the Commission. Article 250 applies to all constitutional commissions and independent commissions, and it states clearly that you should have a minimum of 3 commissioners and a maximum of 9. And the commission then was able to proceed and discharge its mandate, which is prescribed in the Constitution up to now.
Okay.
Now on Thursday last week, the High Court then took a different approach. The Constitution is not the issue here. The issue is the statute. And the statute, it says that a commission should have a minimum of 5 as a quorum.
Okay.
So what we are saying as a commission is that there are 2 conflicting judgments, and it's only a Court of Appeal which should be able to throw light as to which judgment in law should suffice for purpose of the commission.
Okay.
But on the other hand, I think for purposes of again going forward, it also stated the judgment as far as quorum issues are concerned. The High Court gave a stay of that same issue on the issue of quorum only, and said the commission can go ahead and carry out its activities. So we are not in a crisis as far as the issue of quorum is concerned. But we shall take the matter to the Court of Appeal, and the Court of Appeal will decide which of these 2 judgments should be the right one to follow. The one which talks of the following the Constitution, or the one which talks of following the statute.